To read one of these ebooks, all you'll need to do is tap on the cover of the book you want to read. The screen will open up to show you the table of contents for the book. If you scroll down, you will see the table of contents with all the chapters that are in the book. Notice that some of the chapters have a triangle next to them. If you will click on the triangle, you'll see that all the sub-chapters will open up inside of it. This book is read chapter by chapter, so you'll click on an area that's interesting to you, and that article will open up. Once you have an article open, you have a few options. You can actually highlight and take notes right inside the article. All you do is click and drag your mouse over the area you want highlighted. Click on highlight and you'll be able to select what color you want to use. You can also take notes on that page. Once you have the article that you are interested in, you want to use, you also have the capability of sending it to your Google Drive. Just select your Google Drive and the articles will go there. To locate the article you saved, look in your Google Drive and you will see an orange folder that says Gale ebooks. Inside that drive should be the chapter that you just downloaded. If you did any highlighting or note-taking, that will remain in the article that you have downloaded.